And new at 5, a Metro Atlanta mother convicted in the deadly beating of her newborn will soon learn if she will walk free from prison. Tonight, she remains behind bars for that 2017 conviction.
The baby's father will spend the rest of his life in prison. Joe Ripley reports on the decision that now lies with the Georgia Supreme Court.
If the charge is overturned, the case would go back to the Superior Court and she would be released.
One felony charge of what amounts to child neglect marks the difference between Newton County mother Cortney Bell spending several more years behind bars and walking free. Her fate now rests in the hands of the Georgia Supreme Court.
She's hopeful. Obviously, she's still devastated by the loss of her child, but she's hopeful that they'll get it right on this one.
Eric Crawford represents Bell, who's been in prison the last 4 years. In 2019, she was convicted of 3 felony charges linked to the brutal, deadly beating of baby Kalia. The newborn was just 2 weeks old when she was killed in 2017. The baby's father, Christopher McNabb, was convicted on 8 felony charges and will spend the rest of his life in prison. Last year, a Georgia appeals court overturned Bell's felony murder and child cruelty charges due to lack of evidence.
To hold her criminally accountable for something that she couldn't predict and something that was so personally devastating to her, I don't think it's right. So I hope that they overturn the final charge and she's able to get out and get on with her life.
Newton County District Attorney Randy McGinley argues an environment of domestic violence and drug use directly led to baby Kalia's death.
Ms. Bell and Mr. McNabb's lifestyle, using meth together, his violence towards her, just everything in totality led to, in my opinion, that it was foreseeable that something bad was going to happen to baby Kalia, and it did. The worst thing possible happened.
It's something that's so out of the ordinary course of events.
Crawford argues a negative environment would not necessarily lead to murder. If the Supreme Court overturns Bell's last felony charge, she could be released from prison. The Georgia Supreme Court just heard oral arguments today, but should release their ruling on this case within the next 6 months. In Atlanta, Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.